Hi everyone, and I hope that you're doing great. So I decided to just make this short video just to thank you all for watching my videos and for staying tuned to my Django Fundamentals series. So I just wanted to give a big thank you to those of you that have been watching my videos, for those of you that are subscribed, for those of you that liked my videos, and of course for those of you that also commented. Now, of course, I got a lot of feedback, and I just wanted to say thank you to those for commenting, for being very appreciative and all of that. I really, it means a lot to me, so thank you so much. And yeah, I just wanted to give you a big thank you for all of that, and I really appreciate it. And I just want to say I will now move on more to cloud computing a bit for a while, and then I will move on back to combining Django with cloud computing. So we're going to get really advanced in the future, but for now it's going to be a bit of a focus on cloud computing. All right, hence Cloud of Django, the channel name. But yeah, I hope you guys learned a lot, and yeah, so thank you so much. And yeah, I appreciate it, and I hope that you've learned a lot in the series if you've been keeping up. But yeah, all the best, and thank you very much. It means a lot to me. So all the best to you guys.